Hello again, my dear students. Today we have a new lesson for 3rd Intermediate, Upstream 3, Unit 10. Lesson 10E, Time to Complain. Objectives: to identify faulty issues in different items. To identify a complaint letter layout. To write a complaint letter following the right layout. Task 1. Read the dialogue between a mother and her daughter and think how can this problem can be solved. Let's start reading the dialogue together. Mom, what's wrong, Maryam? The pair of trainers that I have ordered last week arrived in a wrong size. What shall I do, Mom? Don't worry, honey. We can solve that easily. That's great. How can we do that? All we have to do is to… Now, my dear students, can you think what's the mother's solution for this problem? Yes, they will write a complaint letter. Today our lesson will be about a complaint letter. Let's start our lesson doing the first task. Task 2. Take the possible faults for each item in the table on the next slide. You might take more than one fault. What might be wrong? Here, my dear students, you have a form with different faulties or problems and different items. The items are smartphone, t-shirt, tablet, pizza, vase, bag, smartwatch. And let's go through the faulty together. The touch screen is responding slowly. There are some missing buttons. It's overcooked. It's torn. It had some missing parts, accessories. The color has faded. The screen is cracked or scratched. It doesn't charge accurately. It shrank when I washed it. It isn't what I have ordered. There are holes in it. Its camera is damaged. These are the faulties or problems, and these are the items. Go through them. I'll give you time, 2 minutes, to do this task. Go through the problems and the items, and as I told you before, you can tick more than one faulty for each item. Let's check the answers. Now, we will check the answers together. These are the text. The touch screen is responding slowly, can be for the smartphone, tablet, smartwatch. There are some missing buttons. It can be for the tablet and also the bag. It's overcooked. It can be for pizza. It's torn for the t-shirt and bag. It has some missing parts or accessories. It can be for the smartphone, tablet, bag, smartwatch. The color has faded for the t-shirt, and the screen is cracked or scratched. It can be for smartphone and tablet and smartwatch. It doesn't charge accurately. Smartphone, tablet, smartwatch. It shrank when I washed it. It can be for the t-shirt only. And also, it isn't what I have ordered. It can be, of course, for all the items. There are holes in it. It can be for the t-shirt and the vase and the bag. Last one, its camera is damaged. It's for the smartphone and the tablet. In this task, we introduce some faulties or problems and the items that you may order, and you have these problems in them. Let's go on in our lesson. Now, I'll present a letter and we want to look at it closer. Now, my dear students, let's look closer at a letter, a complaint letter, but we are going to look at it into paragraphs. Let's start with the first paragraph. Read, then answer the questions. Paragraph 1. Dear Sir, Madam, I'm writing to complain about a laptop which I recently bought from your shop in Aurora Mall. These are the two questions. You have to think about the answers for them from this part. Question 1. Why is Mona writing a letter of complaint? Where did she buy it from? Let's go to the second paragraph. Paragraph 2. On 19th April, I bought teen laptop from your shop. Unfortunately, it seems to be faulty. When I tried to use the charger, it didn't work. The questions: when did she buy it? What make is it? What is the problem? It's more information about the item you bought. Paragraph 3. I would appreciate if you could replace it with another one of the same make. I have enclosed copies of my invoice and guarantee. I look forward to your reply. Please contact me on 987-65-44321. Monday to Wednesday, 10 till 4 o'clock. What does she want to be done? What's her contact number or address? And when they can contact her. These are the 3 parts in a complaint letter. A complaint letter. These are the paragraphs in a complaint letter. Before we read it into pieces, now we are going to go through it as a whole complaint letter. Let's, my dear students, start reading and analyzing the letter together. Dear Sir, Madam, this is the opening of the letter. Paragraph 1, as I told you, I am writing to complain about a laptop. So who's writing the letter? Muna Adel. Why she is writing the letter? Yes, to complain about a laptop she bought recently.